In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Rockstar Games. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, first go to the official Rockstar website, that is rockstar.com website, then log in with your email and password. Once you are logged in, head over to your profile icon here and go to language. As you can see, the current language is displayed here and it is in English. So if you wish to switch to a new language or your account is in a language that you don't understand, just click on this last option here. And here you can see we have quite a number of supported languages that you can choose from. We have Dutch, Spanish, French, and even Italian, among others. So choose your preferred language by clicking on it, and your account will automatically be switched to that language. So that's how you can change your language in Rockstar Games. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.